Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to prove that, baby, you're the remedy. You're my mirror, I could.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey my loves, it's your girl, Lovely Angel Lady, L to the A to the L. Thank you for tuning into my channel, my loves. So today, we are doing something different, y'all. We are going to have a little fun. I figure, you know, it's the holiday season. Christmas is just right around the corner. We finally made it to December. So why not have a little fun? So today's video is going to be Battle of the Bobs, okay? We are letting these girls kind of battle off a little bit. So what I would like to see y'all do in the comments below is tell me, you could either rate, you know, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like which one will be your favorite, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or just whatever one, or if your top 3 or whatever. Just mingle in the comments with your girl, you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, let's get into this video. First, I would love to give you the opportunity to subscribe and what? Make it official. Girl, it's free. Free 99. It don't cost you nothing, okay? Nothing. It costs you nothing. Join the fam by pressing that subscribe button. Tap that alert bell, ding ding. And sis, you are officially one of me lovelies, okay? So I need to have you in my life. Your girl loves you so much, and I hope that you will make it official and become a subscriber in the LAL fam. So welcome if it's your first time checking out my channel. Let me show y'all my little. So this is the look that I went with for today. I thought it'd be festive and really cute for the holiday, since, you know, I'm doing just a really grown and sexy look. I got this this blouse from Ross, pretty much long sleeve, and I have on some, you know, the like pleather type pants. So yeah, we're getting our grown and sexy on. Yeah. So y'all, let's get into this video. Let's go.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know I see you. My baby, you know I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh. Promise, but baby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But, get it, come to me, to me. Come to me, let's go. Come to me, Fatoumata Djembélé, oh Lord. The Fatoumata Djembélé, oh Djembélé, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatoumata Djembélé, everything being safe again now. Everything for your Djembélé, oh Djembélé, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
Keep us safe. Baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you.
You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger av min tid, jag vill ha dig, ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda, baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wifa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger all min tid, jag vill ha dig, ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda, baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me, please. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me, please. Du lägger till, du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv kretsar runt dig, baby. Du bär på mina bebek så att när jag visionerar vår framtid. Låt mig hålla dig, baby, hey, yeah. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om mig. Aldrig, jag vet det bara ta din tid.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
loves, I thank you so much for watching this video. This is numero 5 right here. Okay, number 5. So you got 5 bob wigs, y'all. Okay, so I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for watching, for tuning in, for subscribing if you did subscribe, and joining the fam. I hope y'all have a fabulous week, and that this gave you like some, you know, holiday hair ideas and so forth, because you know your girl lives for a good bob, you know what I'm saying? Yes, waves for the girls. So anyway, my loves, I am gonna catch you next time. Your girl is tired. But I had so much fun creating this video for y'all, so I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Please share this video because sharing is caring. Your girl loves you. I hope that shopping, online shopping, whatever it is you're doing is going well, sis. And I'm gonna see ya. Bye bye.